What's up guys and what's up neighbors? Welcome back to my YouTube channel at kung first time mo pa lang po sa channel nito, mag-subscribe ka na po at i-click ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bawat upload ko na video. So for today's video guys, ito yung continuation natin kasi nakarang video diba nag-discuss tayo about sa kung paano mag-avail ng condo unit. Kaya kung naghahanap ka ng condo unit, saktong-sakto dahil meron po dito sa may Fairview, Quezon City kung gusto mong lumipat dito or kung gusto mong tumira. So, sa mga nagbabalak, sa mga taga San Jose del Monte, Bulacan, or taga Rizal na gustong lumipat sa may Fairview, saktong-sakto guys, dahil sa Avida Towers, meron pong available na condo unit. So, kung gusto nyo makita guys, panoorin nyo lang yung video na ito at i-discuss din natin yung computation kung magkano yung isang unit. Kaya tara na guys, itutour po kayo namin ni Princess Lisandra.
Hello neighbors, this is Princess Sandra, the broker next door. So today my partner Ryan Magalona and I are gonna tour you here sa Fairview, Quezon City. Come on, let's explore Avida Towers, Astrea. Showroom right here. It's actually featuring a junior one-bedroom unit. So technically, studio siya with partition. And then the sizes play approximately at 22.40 to 23 square meters. Let's take a quick tour. right now we're moving forward naman dito sa sample computation part. And actually, this is one of the most essential factors then when diving into your property journey. And I want you to know na especially sa mga first-time investors natin out there, guys, this won't have to be overwhelming. Bakit ka mo? Ito yung quick pro tip natin. I personally really encourage now when dealing with these types of mga important investment decisions natin, you'd really have to walk your broker through your specific preferences, pati yung visions mo for this particular project, lalo pagdating sa target monthly or even kung meron kang naiisip na total budget allocation in mind. Yon. Kasi syempre, we're talking here about your time, your commitment, pati yung capital mo every month. Kaya we really want to make sure na this is gonna be a smooth sailing journey for you as much as possible, di ba? So, alright, let's check a sample quotation here muna featuring our entry-level size. It's a junior 1-bedroom. So, technically, it's a studio with partition. Ayan. Ang total area niya is approximately 22.6 square meters. Tapos, in-upgrade natin yung studio. Nilagyan natin yung partition technically para you'd get to savor pa rin. Siyempre, yung sense of exclusivity kahit may mga guests ka or nagpo-party kayo in the living area. Sige, check natin. Ayan. Oh, and perfect timing din pala actually. Did you guys know na yung promo natin right now for Astrea South is in its maximum flexi stretch so far? Ayan, kwenta natin. So, for a 3.6 million worth of property, ayan, VAT inclusive na siya ha. Here, okay. Syempre, you'd also be entitled din sa ating mga booking discounts for the month here. Although this figure nga lang, it changes kada buwan, depende sa mechanics natin. It's easy. So, skip natin yung other parts muna for the purpose of summary kwentuhan ngayon. Ang first step natin, syempre, ay sa reservation stage. So, this 20,000 pesos here. Ayan. Ang purpose niya, this would hold and secure your specific chosen unit. Halimbawa, dito sa sample natin, this is Tower 2 Unit 309 na nasa 3rd floor. Here, ayan. So that 20K would serve as parang mapupull out niya from the market yung unit and it's gonna be exclusively under your name na. Tapos, after that, let's count 20 days from your reservation date. Halimbawa, you've reserved a unit nitong October 5, 2021. Tapos count tayo ng mga approximately 20 days. Tapos saka pa lang natin i-fulfill yung 10% spot down payment natin, which is the 371K right here. Ayan. And guys, I've learned along the way na rin na yung major advantages natin for having at least 10% spot down payment. Ito, syempre, number 1, ito nga, nakikita natin, you'd get much smaller installment down payment na lang. After that, yung mga 3K per month na lang siya. Sunod-sunod na yan hanggang sa 60th month pa. Tapos, also, if you have a 10% spot down payment, magiging eligible to reap out the all-in and maxed out booking discount natin. Etong nasa taas. Yan, yung 100K. Imagine, So, third reason for having at least a 10% spot down payment, syempre may extra perk tayo dyan. This would give your account parang better leverage. I've realized this. Mas poging tignan, ika nga nila, pagdating dun sa bank loan stage later on. Kasi para magiging on the side credit siya, it would reflect something good for you as an investor sa mata ng bangko. Yun. And then, after that, after nitong 371K, count tayo ulit ng 1 month. So, yun. Magsisimula na yung 3K per month natin. Tapos, nakastretch na siya in 60 months. So, imagine 3K lang yan, guys. In exchange na yan for a perpetual piece of an Avida property. Diba? Hanggang November 2, 2026 dito sa example natin. Tapos, finally, after pa natin ma-complete yung 60th down payment here, yan. Yan, saka pa lang natin aasikasuhin yung natitirang 85% balance. Kasi nga, di ba, may 10% spot down payment tayo. Tapos itong 3K per month natin in 60 months, this comprise 5% ng ating down payment. So, 15 in total, and then yung 85% balance na 3.3 million na natitira dito, you'd have ample time to prepare pa, di ba? By December 2026 pa yan. And ganun, may breathing room timeline tayo sa pagitan ng bawat payments. And, okay. I also took the liberty din para to share a sample monthly amortization. So, halimbawa, you'd get to loan the whole 3.3 million. Ang natin dyan, magiging monthly amortization mo is at 21,000. Tapos may meet lang tayong monthly, actually for the whole household na to, income requirement. And then, naka 20-year loan term siya, tapos naka-fix in 3 years, i-renew mo lang i-renew every now and then. Siguro personal extra tip na rin. Bago ka dumating dito sa 3.3 million, syempre, during all, sa period nitong buong 60 months na nagbabayad ka ng down payment, pwede rin actually na makapag-ipon ka on the side, say, tapyasan natin ng kahit 300K or tapyasan natin ng 1.3 million, todo natin, para lumiit na lang iloloan mo pagdating ng time na yun. Yan. And dito, pagtawid natin ng last 3.2, 3,200 na DP natin, tapos pagpunta natin dito sa 3.3 million, eto na yon, matatag na as fully paid yung ating unit. O, diba? Ano pa bang sweeter next step after that? E di syempre, bigayan na ng susi. Yan. Happy turnover time na by December 2026. I think sakto rin siya sa mga completion ng mga future major government infrastructures pa natin. Ako, personally, nilulook forward ko rin yun sa Fairview even more kasi I know it's really gonna progress pa along the way. O, diba, masasavor mo siya habang nandito pa tayo sa early stage. O, diba? And it's that easy. Sige, let's have a quick recap muna. Number 1, meron tayong reservation fee, that's 20,000 pesos. And then, after that, meron tayong 10%, one time lang to na spot down payment, 371K. Tapos yan, after nun, magmamonthly ka na lang ng 3K per month for 60 months na walang interest. And after that, paulit, yan na, yung 3.3 million na balance natin. Diba? But, syempre, if you wanna customize then, we know we're more inclined to enjoy this If you wanna customize this monthly payment setup, syempre pwede yun. Let me or Ryan know para we can accommodate you guys. Tapos, admit you halfway kung saan ka comfortable. Usually, nare-reallocate yan yung amount sa spot down payment at saka yung amount natin sa installment down payment. Yun. Basically, dito papasok yung tinatawag natin na tailored fit service. Alright? Isn't it awesome? So, for this kind of figures, you'd get to savor an Avida property unit. Thank you, guys!
So yun lang guys, ganun kaganda yung available na condo unit dito sa may Avida Towers ng Fairview, Quezon City. Kaya kung nagustuhan mo yung condo na yun at kung gusto mong lumipat dito sa may Fairview, mag-message ka lang po at i-click yung link na sa description box po at magme-message kami kaagad sa inyo or i-contact kayo. Kung may mga katanungan ka pa, i-assist ka po namin ni Princess Lisondra. So ayan, hanggang dito na lamang yung vlog natin guys about sa pag-tour natin ng condo unit na available sa may Quezon City. Kung naghahanap ka naman ng condo unit sa ibang lugar, meron po available si Avida Tower sa iba't ibang bahagi ng Pilipinas. So hanggang dito na lamang yung vlog natin guys about sa pag-tour natin ng condo unit sa may Fairview, Quezon City. So maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood.